we didn't have a license, and I'm trying to build this Chevy 2. Well, anybody that knows Chevy 2s with the crappy original front ends, you have to have a oil pan that either hooks around the steering rod or a front sump oil pan, which I didn't have the front sump, and they were impossible to find back then. So you had to buy the racing pan. It's a lot of money. Finally saved up the money. We didn't have anybody to take us to super shops up on Buckner when it was up there, you know, north of I-30 back in the day. And we're in high school, but all we got is Russell's Moped. He still got it. And it was right when the helmet law started. So man, we looked like Dumb and Dumber before it was a thing. We're riding up here on this moped like, God, I hope nobody sees us, you know, riding up here. We're trying to get my car going so we have something cool to drive, you know, we be cool kids, not dorks riding a moped. We're riding up here with helmets on. And I mean, just to go buy this oil pan. So we buy it, and I've got this oil pan. I can't handle the box, so I've just got the oil pan under my arm. And I'm hanging on to my buddy, a couple of, you know, riding up. We pull up to the stop sign, just 30 miles an hour, wide open, trying to get back, you know, back to my house.
Yeah.
It wasn't even a shop, it was out in the backyard.
Right.
But 4 girls from school pull up next to us in this Nova. And we're sitting here trying not to make eye contact with anybody. And we hear a bunch of laughing and can't help looking. It was so humiliating. It was horrible. But it was on the way to get my these girls were laughing at us. It's like, God,
man.
never. I'd love to hear their side of the story.
Oh, man.
But rode on home.